Hello, community. Welcome to a new progress update. We will review the first half of 2024. First, we are going to do a small reminder of our 2024 goals. We have 4 pillars for this year. The first one is vibrant and healthy projects. And the description of this goal is to ensure adopting projects thrive by providing excellent community health, technical resources, and marketing support for their success. Second one is maintain product usage. Last year was about increased product usage. We had hit millions of users, and our target for this year to maintain that number of downloads. Innovation that matters. Very linked to find new technical collaboration that it could be done within and across ECLU Foundation projects and beyond with other open source organizations and initiatives, or even different project ideas that a community could share. And secure development. It has been an important pillar of work for the community for the past 2 years, and it was an important step to be added as a 2024 goal. To measure vibrant and healthy project, we have targeted some metrics that are aligned with community involvement. These figures show us that we could consider that our project is a success and is in a mature phase. Maybe we need to find new initiatives to get more community involved. Regarding Adoptium Active Project, what we are highlighting here, even when we already have 7 projects, is how many projects are active in a period of time. And some initiatives and activities that have been done with community engagement are the lighting talks that are available on our YouTube channel and GitHub, blog posts authored by the community. We had an intern paid by one of our users, Mercedes Ben. We have been part of a semester of code session that finished in July. We presented Bloomberg Java Guild about all adoption projects and initiatives and where the community could help. And we have 35 builds available thanks to Brevo's support and work. Adoption at events, regarding event attendance with talks, the community has been at FOSDEM, FOSBackstep, DevOps UK, and Payura Virtual Conference, and event booth. We have been in JavaLand, JCOM Europe, and SBCN. Most of these event booths were managed with the Java-related industry collaboration from ECLU Foundation, and it was a good opportunity to talk to our enterprise users and to do some word of brand awareness regarding all adoption projects, not only Temurin. Maintain product usage. The main metric could be data downloads. We're almost there with our target for 2024 regarding a cumulative download. And another important metric is the average day that both primary and secondary platforms are available. Our target since some years ago is 2 days for primaries, and we have hit 1.5 days and 7 days for secondaries, and we have hit 4.2 days. This set April release are one of the biggest and fastest release with 454 builds. And we had hit an important milestone, 20 million monthly downloads in February and 1 million daily downloads in June. Innovation that matters. We are measuring here Aquavit work. because part of the automation that needs to be done that is linked to the innovation process is related to the Aquavit and how is run this project and the goals for this particular project and provide technical collaboration opportunities. The initiative we could highlight is the Tesla initiative with the OpenJDK upstream development team, which is led by Shelley. Some highlights with these goals is the Aquavit, the official release of Aquavit done in February, release announcement, PR, and a newsletter article, having the Aquavit community call again after each Temeron release, and that both Temeron and Aquavit are conformant with OpenChain ISO 5230, and the 2 semesters of code project we had for May and from May to July. Secure development. For this year, our metrics related to the OpenSSF scorecard, and currently we have 3 repos that are either on target and over the target. And for Aquavit project, we also want to define the current level, and it's a work that needs to be done by the end of the year. Some highlights regarding this secure development job. It is the achievement of SASA level build 3 for Temeron, the security audit done by with help of the Green Foundation. The release report was released in June this year. The BDR work that is work in progress, and the Temeron case study talking about all the security war, security supply chain, which was finalized and released in April. Some figures about community involvement and mention this is active committers, issues, and author in a period of time. It will be first half of the year. Some things to highlight is that some of the organizations that look like more active, actually it should be Red Hat. We are working on fetching this data in the right way. Regarding Temeron downloads, we could see the 1 million daily downloads in June, and we can see the first 20 million multi-download trend, and we had here the cumulative downloads for Adoptium in general. We want to also review all the work done regarding marketing plan. Just a reminder that the marketing goals were set to support all the program plan goals. We at the end of last year, beginning of this year, we defined 3 main goals. One was linked to membership and sponsorship growth. The second one to increase Adoptium project awareness and adoption. And the third one is to increase Adoptium brand awareness. As you see, all these projects are very linked and aligned to all the program goals. Membership and sponsorship growth. Regarding membership, we could mention that actually we have increased 1 more enterprise member, but all the paperwork and documentation was finished in Q3. And a sponsorship, we don't have any particular update, and it's some key learnings for the coming months. We are working on this particular part of the project on how to improve our sponsorship promotion. Linking forward followers increase. We are working on that, and it's very helpful to share all the information we have for enterprise user and all the initiatives done by the community. And new adopters is also that we need to continue working on that. We have realized that when attending to the different tech events and and Java and the events in the first half of the year. Some enterprise user targeting initiatives is the website redesign that is in progress and it should be released by Q3 or Q4. Members pipeline review, we have been working with the ecosystem development team, and we have met with some current Temerin users to understand how much they know about the community, the working group, and Equity Foundation itself on what will be the easiest way for them to support our project. Sponsorship promotion, Temerin case study was a good thing to have for enterprise user, security audit, and event outreach. Increase adoption awareness. This is also linked to promote not only adoption as a working group on a top level project, it's also to talk about and differentiate Temerin from the rest of our projects. And we can achieve that. We had decided to achieve that to blog post sharing, mailing list campaign, case studies, testimonial for enterprise user, some PRs, dedicated newsletter, virtual events, and we're working on the Adoption Summit besides the lighting talks, a face-to-face event with OC for Java, website redesign, conference talks, and LinkedIn posting, and social media posting in general. For community engagement, we have the lighting talks, we have blog posts, we released a swag store. We started nurturing our mailing list, and also we have launched 2 mailing list campaign. We are active part of the iJob newsletter with our monthly announcements, and we had our Adoption PR email. For Adoption at events, we have been at different events with our talks and booth. We are working on the Adoption Summit and also working on the organization of OC for Java. Now we're going to highlight some initiatives in particular. Adoption Swag Store was implemented in February. Some things we are working on is policy review, domain, guidance, and swag design. It went live in March. And since that moment, we have been running some marketing promotion. We have been reviewing some more policies that need to be updated to be compliant with European laws. And I think we can highlight that we designed a special collection for the 20 million monthly download, and all the sales we have been linked to that special collection. The Marine case study is it had a full promotional campaign, including feature on a landing page at the foundation website, and also part of a banner on Adopted.net website, social media campaign, email campaign, newsletter, and all the banners. And we can see that other campaigns is linked to Adoption.net traffic, and direct traffic is related to the landing page promotion. Adoption Summit is a work in progress. It will be our first virtual event, and we will be highlighting all the work done by the community to the community on getting the most secure, developed open source solution for Java runtimes. Our target is getting 200 registered. At the moment when we were preparing the report, we only had 37, but we reviewed this data today and we already have 89. It's very important for us that the community is an active part of this promotion. We had 13 submissions. Now we have selected 7 sessions in a combination of lighting talks and full session. And our goal in the day, September 10th, is to have at least between 20 and 40 live attendees. We're working on registration campaign on social medias and email, final schedules, and speaker testing. Newsletter article, as mentioned, we already had two issues with adoption articles. The first one was in February about secure supply chain security with a social level B3 achievement. And the second one was about aquavit release and how the community successfully passed all the Eclipse processes to get that official release. Email campaign, as said, the first campaigns were really to clean and activate our current mailing list, and we are working on promoting the case study and the Adoptive Summit. Event presses, we already mentioned that we were at 3 events, Javalan, JCon Europe, and SBCN, and these are some data about those events, what were there, how many attendees they had, and how our president was there. We were sharing booths with other Java initiatives and promoting different Java at Eclipse as the main message. E-learning from our first half of the year regarding brand awareness and information dissemination. Event attendance helps community outreach for brand awareness. There is a misconception between what is adoption and what is Temerun, and we need to continue working on that. Getting new contributors on board, we have seen that it's more effective for both the community and the new contributors to be part of a different program like a paid internship or a specific on a smaller summer course from a university. Security is a hot topic thanks to the work done by the community. Adopting community members have been invited to different events and talks regarding security supply chains, and enterprise users seek for security compliance. So it's very important to be compliant and conformant with all these processes. Targeted enterprise user, we need to create more educational content on migration, open source support, commercial support. Enterprise users are not familiar with open source and foundations, so we need to work on that, and it will be easy for us to promote sponsorship rather than membership. Enterprise users seek for to be compliant with security and quality, and I'm sure that our projects are already there. Regarding budget and resources optimization, we need to prepare a clear message for sponsors, like supporting secondary platforms and other in-kind sponsorships. Areas to improve, collaboration with other Eclipse Foundation projects and other projects in general. The move to Java and Eclipse team have brought bigger opportunities for adoption and awareness to all other projects, and it's pending to generate a real technical collaboration with those other projects. Marketplace publisher, and still pending to have an interview and a meeting with the publishers, and they are using the marketplace, again, their feedback on that matter, promote others, adopting projects and community involvement. We need to promote all the other projects that adoption top level project is standing for, like migration toolkit that is very useful for enterprise users, or mission control, or even the opportunity for new contributors to be part of the incubator project.